Introduction: R versus Python in data science.
R and Python are two of the most popular programming languages in data science. Each has unique strengths, making the choice between them a key decision for aspiring and practicing data analysts. In this video, we compare their capabilities, learning curves, and how each fits into today's data-driven industries.
Core strengths of R.
R is renowned for its statistical and analytical capabilities. Developed by statisticians, R offers a wide range of libraries for advanced statistical analysis, data visualization, and reporting. It's especially powerful for exploratory data analysis and academic research, making it a favored choice in statistics-heavy roles and for professionals who prioritize data visualization.
Core strengths of Python.
Python excels in general-purpose programming and machine learning. Its clear syntax, extensive ecosystem, and integration with frameworks like TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, and Pandas make it ideal for building end-to-end data science solutions. Python is widely used in production environments, automation, web development, and artificial intelligence, supporting versatility in career paths.
Learning curve and community support.
Learning Python is often considered easier for beginners due to its straightforward syntax. R, however, offers powerful tools specifically designed for statistics, which may require a steeper but rewarding learning curve. Both languages boast thriving global communities, abundant documentation, and free educational resources, helping learners progress from beginner to expert.
Industry usage and career prospects.
Python dominates in tech companies, startups, and machine learning roles, while R maintains a strong presence in academia, healthcare, and government. Many data science teams are even bilingual, using both languages depending on project needs. Versatility in either or both can open doors to diverse data science and analytics opportunities.
Choosing the right language for you.
Your choice between R and Python depends on your goals. If you focus on advanced statistics, research, or data visualization, R stands out. If you're interested in machine learning, software development, or data engineering, Python is often the go-to. Evaluate job requirements and project needs to decide which language best supports your career in data science.